Yeah, I'm in Croatia, and behind me you see Slovenia. They checked my passport, and I'm in. Yeah. Hello. Do you sell coffee?
Okay, może.
Yes, please. Yeah, donut, please. This one.
No speak English.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's okay.
Okay.
I found something really cool. Really cool. Have a look at it. How cool is that? There you go.
151 and
Yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hey mate, how you doing? Yeah, good, thanks. At the moment I'm in Croatia. Sometimes you see buildings along the roads. They have still the traces of the war. You can see the bullet holes in the abandoned places, and this is one of them. I'll show you.